Where would you like to travel today?
I'd like to book a ticket to Karachi, please.
When would you like to travel?
I want to go tomorrow morning.
Which class would you prefer?
I'd like to travel in economy class.
How many tickets do you need?
I need just one ticket for myself.
What time do you want to depart?
I prefer an early morning flight around 8 a.m.
Would you like a window or aisle seat?
I'd like a window seat, please.
How would you like to pay for the ticket?
I'll pay by credit card.
What's your full name for the booking?
My name is Altaf Ahmed.
Can you provide your ID card number?
Sure, my ID card number is 42101-7894561.
Which airline would you like to travel with?
I'd like to travel with Pia.
Do you want a one-way or return ticket?
I'd like to book a return ticket.
When would you like to come back?
I'd like to return on Sunday evening.
Would you like travel insurance?
Yes, please add basic travel insurance.
What's your contact number?
My contact number is 0301-9876543.
Do you want to receive your ticket by email?
Yes, please send it to my Gmail address.
What's your email address?
It's altafanglish@gmail.com. Mail to altafanglish@gmail.com.
Would you like to select your meal preference?
Yes, please select a vegetarian meal for me.
Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, I have one large suitcase.
What's your preferred departure airport?
I'd like to depart from Lahore Airport.
Where will you stay after arriving?
I'll stay with my relatives in Karachi.
Would you like to add any special assistance?
No, I don't need special assistance.
When should I confirm your booking?
Please confirm it right now.
Would you like to know the total fare?
Yes, please tell me the total cost.
The ticket price is 18,000 rupees. How would you like to proceed?
That's fine. Please book the ticket for me.
Do you want to add extra legroom?
No, standard seating is fine for me.
Should I print your ticket or send it digitally?
Please send it digitally to my phone.
Would you like to know about refund options?
Yes, please explain the refund policy.
Refunds are allowed within 24 hours. Is that acceptable?
Yes, that's perfectly fine for me.
Do you have any connecting flights?
No, I want a direct flight to Karachi.
Would you like to check the seat availability?
Yes, please check the seats for tomorrow morning.
There are seats available at 8:15 a.m. Is that okay?
Yes, that time suits me well.
Do you have any luggage restrictions?
No, I just have one 20-kilo bag.
Would you like to get a boarding pass now?
Yes, please issue it after payment.
Should I reserve your seat immediately?
Yes, please go ahead and reserve it.
Would you like to know the gate number?
Yes, please tell me the gate number.
It's gate 7 at Terminal 2. Will that work?
Yes, that's perfect for me.
Do you have any specific airline preference?
I prefer traveling with Air Blue.
Would you like to add a child ticket?
No, I'm traveling alone this time.
What date should I put on the return ticket?
Please make it for the 15th of this month.
Would you like a morning or evening return flight?
I'd prefer an evening flight.
How long do you plan to stay in Karachi?
I'll stay there for 3 days.
Do you want a window seat on your return as well?
Yes, please give me a window seat again.
Would you like to add a meal for the return flight?
Yes, please add the same vegetarian meal.
Would you like to check the flight duration?
Yes, please tell me how long it takes.
Do you want a reminder for your flight time?
Yes, please send me a reminder message.
Would you like to know about baggage weight limits?
Yes, please tell me the maximum weight allowed.
Would you like to upgrade to business class?
No, economy class is fine for now.
Do you have any hand luggage?
Yes, I have one small backpack.
Would you like to choose your seat number?
Yes, please give me seat 12A.
Should I finalize your booking now?
Yes, please confirm and finalize it.
Would you like to print your itinerary?
No, just send it through WhatsApp, please.
Would you like to add a return reminder?
Yes, please remind me one day before departure.
Would you like to check if meals are complimentary?
Yes, please confirm that for me.
Meals are included in your ticket price.
That's good to know, thank you.
Do you want to check in online?
Yes, I'll check in online later.
Would you like to receive flight updates by text?
Yes, please send updates to my mobile.
Do you want to receive a boarding alert?
Yes, please activate that service.
Would you like a seat near the front or back?
I prefer sitting near the front.
Should I include your frequent flyer number?
Yes, please add my number to the booking.
Would you like to receive your invoice?
Yes, please send it to my email.
Do you want to choose your baggage option?
I'll go with the standard 23 kilo option.
Would you like to check flight availability for next week too?
No, tomorrow's flight is fine.
Do you want to change your return date later?
Yes, I might reschedule it if needed.
Would you like to save your details for future bookings?
Yes, that will make it easier next time.
Should I give you a booking reference number?
Yes, please provide the reference number.
Your booking reference is AFG 789. Will you note it down?
Yes, I've written it, thank you.
Would you like to double check your travel dates?
Yes, please confirm both dates for me.
Would you like to know the check-in time?
Yes, please tell me when I should arrive.
You should arrive 2 hours before departure.
Got it, I'll be there on time.
Do you want to know about airport parking?
No, someone will drop me off at the airport.
Would you like to download the airline app?
Yes, that will help me manage my booking.
Would you like to join the airline's reward program?
Yes, please sign me up for it.
Do you want to print your boarding pass at the airport?
Yes, I'll print it there before boarding.
Could you help me book a ticket to London for next weekend?
Of course, I can help with that. Do you have a specific date and time in mind?
I would like to travel on Friday afternoon because I have a meeting on Saturday.
That's fine. There is a flight at 3 p.m. and another at 6 p.m. Which one suits you better?
I think the 3 p.m. flight sounds perfect for me.
Great choice. Would you like an economy or business class seat?
I'll go with economy class since it's just a short trip.
All right. Do you have any seat preference like window or aisle?
I prefer a window seat because I love looking outside during the flight.
Got it. I'll reserve a window seat for you on the 3 p.m. flight.
Could you tell me the price of the ticket, please?
The economy class ticket costs $350 including taxes.
That sounds reasonable. What about the baggage allowance?
You can carry one handbag and one checked bag up to 20 kilograms.
That should be enough for me. I'm only staying for 2 days.
Perfect. Do you want to add travel insurance to your booking?